So, you're really interested in a Boxabl, but you're not sure what the next steps are? This video will take you through the buying process and possible extra cost step by step. First up, you'll need to know what comes with your Boxabl purchase. For about $50,000, you'll get a full-size kitchen with a large fridge, double sink, oven, dishwasher, microwave, cabinetry, and a breakfast bar. The bathroom comes with a shower tub combination, vessel sink, large counter, toilet, backlit mirror, and is screened by a sliding glass barn door. The Boxabl has enough space for a sleeping area and a separate living room. It includes a built-in ironing center, washer-dryer combination, heating and air conditioning, ceilings over 9 feet high, LED lighting, and huge doors and windows. Next, you'll need to know what the extra costs are. These extras basically have to do with the land and site setup, which can all be bundled into a 30-year mortgage with the Boxabl. The first extra is the land. You'll need to make sure you have land where the Boxabl can be installed, and once you've chosen the area, you'll have to check the local zoning laws to make sure you can add the Boxabl to your property. Boxabl has partnered with permits.com to help make this process easier for you. The next extra would be shipping. Boxables can be shipped anywhere in the world, and at this time, Boxabl estimates shipping might cost between $2 and $4 a mile from Las Vegas. Foundations next. You can have the Boxabl installed on top of a garage, a concrete wall or slab, or on wood beams. Boxabl has connector plates that allows its floor to be bolted to any foundation type. For utilities, plumbing, electric, and HVAC all come pre-installed in your Boxabl, so that once the Boxabl is on site, you can have utilities hooked up to the exterior corner of the Boxabl. This means you can have traditional utilities or off-grid water tanks and solar panels. Boxabl will connect you with a Boxabl certified and state licensed installer in your area who will give you a quote on site setup. Depending on your location and the complexity of your site, Boxabl estimates the extra cost for permits and site setup can range anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000, which will be added to the Boxabl mortgage, so that with an average 30-year mortgage, you could end up paying around $500 a month. For more detailed information or to get started on purchasing your Boxabl home, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have fun today.